Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the voice command to make a phone call with Apple CarPlay. So if your car have Apple CarPlay, then you can use voice command on the steering wheel right here. So you just press on it. Also, you need to be able to connect to your car with your iPhone and make sure that Apple CarPlay is activated. Once it is activated, you can just press on this icon here, the voice command icon, and then you can issue like make phone call or call the name of the contact. Call IT Jungles.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call at Jungle's iPhone home?
Yes. So I have to yes, make a call.
You'll be wrote my phone's in airplane mode.
So I said my phone is on airplane mode, so I cannot make the call. And so that's it. That's how you can make the call with Apple CarPlay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.